Hello, I am Aaron from Lingvo Center, and we are going to learn about verbs and the ing. Okay, now let's get into it. So first, we use the verb.ing in these situations. Well, not situations, but like this is how we use it. So as the subject of a sentence, so like smoking is bad for you. There you can see that it is the subject of the sentence. Smoking is bad for you. After some verbs like, love, hate, enjoy, you can see I hate getting up early. Or you can say I like getting up early. These are also these are all uh after these you can see using the ing form of the verb. So you can see I like getting up early, I hate getting up early, I enjoy getting up early, and so on. And we also use it after prepositions. So he left without saying goodbye. You can see without. Okay, now let's see at these example sentences. Eating outside in the summer makes me feel good. Or I love reading in bed. Or I'm thinking of buying a new car. I'm thinking of buying a new car. Very good. Now, remember the spelling rules for the ing form. Now, the first exercise is here, and it's about completing the sentences with the verb in the ing form. So here's all of the verbs. Be, do, go, learn, remember, study, talk, and teach. Now the example is I don't really enjoy doing exercise. So we can immediately take do out. Do is not there anymore because we use it here. I don't really enjoy doing exercise. Okay. Now the next one is my mother's very bad at names. My mother's very bad at names. What can it be? I use this sentence a lot. Well, not my mother's, but I also am very bad at remembering names. Remembering. My mother's very bad at remembering names. Okay. Teenagers is very hard work. Teenagers is very hard work. Now, what can the answer be to this? Teaching. Teaching teenagers is very hard work. Very hard work. Now, the next one is you can't sing well without to breathe properly. You can't sing well without to breathe properly. That's right. You can't sing well without learning to breathe properly. Learning. My sister spends hours on the phone to her boyfriend. There's supposed to be an S here, sorry. My sister spends hours on the phone to her boyfriend. What is the answer? The answer is my sister spends hours on the phone talking to her boyfriend. And the next is the number 5, which is I hate the first to arrive at parties. I hate the first to arrive at parties. Very well. I hate being the first to arrive at parties. Yes, very good, very good. Okay. By train is cheaper than by plane. By train is cheaper than by plane. What can the answer be? There's only 2 options now, so it's quite easy if you think about it. It's going to be going by train is cheaper than by, going by train is cheaper than by plane. And then the last one is number 7. I'll go on until dinner time. I'll go on until dinner time. Now, there's only one left, so it's going to be I'll go on studying until dinner time. Very good. Now, let's see the next one. Put the verbs in the ing form or infinitive. Okay, so the first one, it's the example, is I like listening to music with listen. So this either could be I like to listen to music or I like listening to music. But since this is the subject, listening is the subject of the sentence, it is going to be ing. So I like listening to music. Okay, next one is yoga is good for your health. And with a do. Yoga is good for your health. Do. That is correct. Doing yoga is good for your health, since it's also the subject of our sentence. We have decided to the party, not go. We have decided to the party, not go. What is the answer? Very good. Since there's a not in it, it's always going to be not to go. We have decided not to go to the party. Next one. We won't take the car. It's impossible. We won't take the car. It's impossible. That's right. To park. It's impossible to park. Number 4. I'm not very good at maps. I'm not very good at maps. With reading. Read, yes. I kind of blew it. Yeah, the answer is I'm not very good at reading maps. Reading maps. Number 5. You can borrow the car if you promise slowly with drive. So you can borrow the car if you promise slowly drive. That is correct. It's going to be to drive slowly. To drive slowly. Have you finished your homework? Do. Have you finished your homework? Do. That is correct. It's going to be doing your homework. Have you finished doing your homework? And then the next one, I don't mind, but I hate. And the two verbs are cook and wash up. I don't mind, but I hate. That is correct because hate, remember, after hate, you're always using ing. And here, it's the subject of the sentence. It's going to be, I don't mind cooking, but I hate washing up. I don't mind cooking, but I hate washing up. All right, that was it from me. I was Aaron, and I hope you learned a bunch, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.